Hello everyone and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I appreciate all of your support. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to pad a blouse. So pad the bodies, pad the bustier, all of them they are the same process to make it fit to give to give it firmness around the bust area. So that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do today. It is a very simple process, and if it is well done, it actually gives structure to the dress, gives structure to any dress. Okay, so if you are new to Stylish Nigeria YouTube channel, you are highly and very welcome. If you have not subscribed already, please, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to register for our online classes, you can see my number scrolling through the screen. Just send me a message on WhatsApp, and then I'll give you the details of the classes we have available. Thank you. So let's get straight to the tutorial right now.
Basic things: the lining. This is my chest pad, a soft chest pad, and this is an hairstay and a soft gum stay. You can make use of a medium one too. I'm gonna be making use of paper to cut out the breast cut shape for you. First, you fold your paper and measure. I'm making use of 6 inches. That's the length. Then the width. You can make use of 3 or 4, but I'm gonna be making use of 3. So I'll draw a semi arc. It's like half of a circle. Then I cut it out. I'll measure to make it accurate. I'm gonna be reducing it to 5.5 inches. As you can see, I have a perfect curve. This is how it's gonna look like, but I'll open it from the middle. So I cut it out. So now you place it on it and then cut to shape. You cut out the excess. So this is what I'm gonna be using. See, it fits perfectly. So I'll use it to cut out the chest pad. I made a little illustration on it. Cut out the chest pad. With the paper pattern. You fold your chest pad into two. Trim it properly. This is the up part and the down. Up, down. I'll cut out another part. So now, this is how you place it on it. You place it on the breast part of your fabric, and then you place your fabric on your hairstay and you cut out. You cut it to the shape of your fabric. Then you place the fabric on your lining and you cut out. Then you place your lining on your gum stay and then you cut out. The whole essence of this padding is to give your dress at the end a perfect fit. Then now I'm gonna be heading up to my ironing table to iron. I'll iron the gum stay on the lining and then iron the hairstay on my fabric, then the chest pad on the breast part on top of the hairstay. This is how it's gonna look like. After ironing the hairstay, you place the chest pad and you iron on top of it. This is it. This is the finished product. You can see the hairstay and the chest pad on it. So you sew like this and it gives it that fit. Then you turn with your lining and it gives it that firm. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. As you can see, this is the sewn part of the fabric. See the breast part. It is perfect because of the padding on it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do.